Hello students, in 10th Maths Chapter 1 Relation and Function, today we are going to learn the next heading, Representation of Function. A function may be represented by four ways. The first way, a set of ordered pairs. It means the set of function equal to the relation ordered pairs such that y equal to f of x and x belongs to A. Next one, a table form. It is nothing but the values of x and their respective images under f can be given in the table form. Here you should write the values of x and here you should write their respective images. Then third one, an arrow diagram. It means an arrow diagram. It means an arrow diagram indicate the element of the domain of f and their respective images by means of arrow. By means of arrows. The last way, a graphical form. It is nothing but the graph of f is totally all the such coordinate x comma y. Now we move on the next heading, vertical line test. It is useful to find the given graph is a function or not, because every function can be represented by curve in a graph, but not every curve drawn in the graph will represent a function. The definition of function: a curve drawn in a graph represents a function if every vertical line intersects the curve in at most one point. For example, see the given graph. In this graph, the vertical line intersects the graph at 2 points P and Q. So, by the definition, every vertical line intersects the curve in at most one point. But here, the vertical line intersects the graph 2 points P and Q. So, it is not a function. Then see the next graph. Here in this graph, the vertical line intersect at most one point. By the definition, every vertical line intersect the curve in at most one point. Therefore, the vertical line intersect at one point P. So, this graph represents a function. Now, can you get a clear idea about a function by using vertical line test? Now, we move on the example sum. See example 1.10. Using vertical line test, determine which of the following curves represent a function. In this question, graphs are given. We have to check whether the given graph is function or not by using vertical line test. See the first given graph. So, this pink colored line indicate the curve graph. This blue color line indicate the vertical line. See, in this graph, this vertical line intersect the given graph at 2 points P and Q. Therefore, this graph is not represent a function. So, you write the vertical line intersect the curves at 2 points P and Q. Therefore, this graph do not represent a function. See the next subdivision. In this graph, the vertical line intersect the graph at one point. Therefore, this graph represent a function. So, you write the vertical line intersect the curves at only one point P. Therefore, this graph represent a function. The third subdivision, see, this is a curve graph. The vertical line intersect at 2 points P and Q. Then say whether it is a function. No, because the vertical line cuts 2 points. By the definition, the vertical line intersect at most only 1 point. But here the line cuts the graph at 2 points. So, the vertical line intersect the curves at 2 points P and Q. Therefore, this graph do not represent a function. This is the answer for this question. So, now we move on the last subdivision. See, in this curve graph, the vertical line intersect at only one point P. Then means, what is the answer for this question? Yes, it is a function. By the definition, it cuts at only one point. Therefore, it is a function. So, how you write? Answer. The vertical line intersects the curves at only one point. Therefore, this graph represent a function. This is the answer for this question. Now we move on then next example. Example 1.11. See the question. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 be two sets. Let function f such that a to b. A function given by f of x equal to 3x minus 1. Represent this function by arrow diagram in a table form as a set ordered pairs in a graphical form. See, in this question, set A and set B are given, then function A to B. Then function conditions are also given, that is f of x equal to 3x minus 1, we have to represent this function in 4 ways, that is arrow diagram, table, set ordered pair and graphical form. See, for solution in this question, x is always belongs to set A. Therefore, if x is equal to 1, then f of 1 equal to 3 into 1 minus 1, then the answer is 2. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Then the ordered pair 1, 2. Then next x element. So, see, x is always belongs to set A. Set A element 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we take the second element, x is equal to 2. So, if x is equal to 2, then f of 2 equal to 3. Instead of x, you apply 2. 3 into 2 minus 1, that is 6 minus 1 is 5. So, the ordered pair 2, 5. Then, third element of set A, x is equal to 3. Then, f of 3 equal to 3 into 3 minus 1, which is 9 minus 1, 8. Then the ordered pair 3, 8. Now, the last element of set A, if x equal to 4, then f of 4 equal to 3 into 4 minus 1, then 3 4s are 12, 12 minus 1 we get 11. Then the ordered pair 4, 11. Now you better to write these ordered pairs together under F. Now you take down and write these ordered pairs, which means easy to represent the function in 4 ways. Now come to the first heading, arrow diagram. See, this arrow diagram, first you take down and write the given set A. See, set A element 1, 2, 3, 4. So that one you write here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this side you should write set B element, which is given in the question 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. That also you take down and write, because in the question given function such that A to B. So you should write set A and set B element like this. Now you have to indicate these function ordered pairs by using arrows. See, the first ordered pair 1, 2, which means 1 should related to 2. 2, 5. 2 could related to 5. 3, 8. 3 could related to 8. 4, 11. 4 could related to 11. It represents F such that A to B. This is arrow diagram. So next we move on the second heading, table form. In table form, the values of x is first element of this ordered pair, which is domain of the function. See the first element 1, 2, 3, 4. Take down and write 1, 2, 3, 4. Then f of x, the values of y, which means second element of this ordered pair. Second elements are 2, 5, 8, 11. Take down and write 2, 5, 8, 11. This is table form. Now the next heading is set ordered pairs. It is nothing but just you take down and write the function ordered pair. Then F equal to set of ordered pairs 1, 2, 2, 5, 3, 8, 4, 11. This is set ordered pairs form. The next last heading graphical form. Now we have to plot this ordered pairs in the graph. See the first point 1, 2. Here 1 is belongs to x coordinate and 2 is belongs to y coordinate. So you mark 1 from x coordinate and 2 from y coordinate. We get the point 1, 2. The next point 2, 5. 2 from x coordinate and 5 from y coordinate. We get the point 2, 5. Then next point 3, 8. 3 from x coordinate and 8 from y coordinate. We get 3, 8. Then last point 4, 11. 4 from x coordinate and 11 from y coordinate. We get the point 4, 11. Now you join this point by using scale. We get a graph. This is graphical form. Students, actually it is very easy to little bit practice. Okay students, this is one of the important 5 marks. So well practice and do the given homework. Exercise 1.4, first sum, second sum and third sum. Here the first sum related to example 1.10 and second and third sum related to example 1.11. We learn maths by doing maths. Thank you.